Today, I'm going to be telling you about Honeygain. Basically, Honeygain is a passive income application where you can earn by just keeping your PC on. So it means is that no matter what, no matter if you do it or not, you'll just earn money, right? And all you have to do is to just keep your PC on. You share traffic. You share your Wi-Fi basically, right? If you want to start earning, they're doing a thing right now where if you get the app, you'll get $3. You can press on this blue button to get the app and earn $3. And then we just have to wait for this to load. And after that, you can tap on download for Windows. And then when you download for Windows, you can just go ahead and see it'll start downloading. We can go ahead and wait for this to finish downloading in a second. It's only 60 seconds, not that far enough. Now you can see once it's done downloading, we can go ahead and open and install this. You can see if I open up, I can tap on run. Once I tap on run, you can see an installation will pop up right here. We can go ahead and finish this. Tap on next, tap on accept, tap on next again, and then tap on install. Tap on yes. After that, it'll be installing just like this, and you'll see the status right here. Let's just wait for this to finish installing. Great, all done. I'm just gonna close and check this and then tap on finish. And after that, Honeygain will be installed. If you can't find it, just search up Honeygain. But you should see it'll open up automatically. You can go ahead and scroll all the way down, tap on agree on terms of uses, and then you can see this is what it will look like. You can tap on let's start, and then you can log in to see, and then that's it. Now you can see it'll say sharing, and then that's it. Now all you have to do is you just leave it on and you'll gain money.